So following on from the previous video, we've got to find integers of p in such a way that that this whole integral will converge. So now let's look at the special case where p equals 1. So when p equals 1, this whole thing here will become this. So this is like to the power of 1 here. So to evaluate this, we would follow our normal routine, integrate it from b to a half, and then allow b to head towards 0 from the right hand side. So integrate this, that will then give us this. So now put this half into here. So that will then give us this thing here, and then put b into here, and this whole thing here will become this thing here. So now as b heads towards 0 from the right hand side, well, if you count, so we are currently here. This whole integral thing becomes this thing here. So now we've got to see what happens as b heads towards 0 from the right hand side. This is going to be a definite number. It's going to be a finite number. This thing here, natural log of b. Now we've got to look at this as b head towards 0 from the right hand side. Now if you look at this here, natural log of b graph will look like this. So as b heads towards 0, this thing here is going to be negatively massive. Let's say negative 999 here. So now when you put this into here, now you've got the absolute sign here. So you're going to have to forget about this negative sign here. So now it's really us putting 9999 into here. So that would be, well, if you look at this outer natural log, it would be something like this. So it would be 9999. So it's going to climb basically. Or this thing here is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So this thing here, this is going to be a definite number. This is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's not going to converge. Okay, so in a case of p equals 1, this thing here is going to diverge. So now we're going to look at a case where p, not b, bear with me, hang on, now we're going to look at a case where p does not equal 1. So I will continue in the next video. Okay.